friends, and welcome back to Decorate Your Life. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a home goods or home base random Shein haul, and I'll go ahead and leave you with a coupon code link in the description area right underneath this video. So I went through their home goods department and I chose a few items here and there. As you can tell, none of it is crafty really, but I decided to get these items because I think that I can put them to good use in my craft room. So let's go ahead and start with this big elephant in the room. This one is actually, it caught my attention when I was searching through their online catalog. And even though this is used for like, flower bouquets and bridal bouquets and everything, I thought that this was such a beautiful and elegant piece of trim. It's rather wide actually, of trim that I could very well use it in my crafts. So let me know if you've seen something like this before, and if this is something that you think you could use, like in making a big mini album, a journal, and even, so many great uses for this. It is so beautiful. I just love this. I love this, and it feels so good. So let's go ahead and put this down because this is really, really awesome. Look how much they give you. They give you a ton of it. So another thing that I got with that is because I'm very flower challenged per se. So checking out what my online options are, and I want to stay within a certain budget, so that, in other words, like one of my grandma used to say, yo quiero algo bueno, bonito y barato. Okay? The 3 B's. It doesn't really translate that well in English, but my grandma would always say, I want something good, something pretty. I want it to be good, pretty, and cheap. The 3 B's in Spanish, bueno, bonito, y barato. Okay, so sticking with that idea, I was checking out their flowers and their satin flowers, as long as it's not like all plastic, something that looked really, really wonderful. And I thought, you know what, if it's too big or if it's something that I'm not crazy about, I can always use it when I take my pictures, in the backdrop, or something like this, I can even use it like in a mini album or a journal. I'm not a really great journal maker, but y'all know what I mean. It may be a little bit large for cards, but I could very well see this in something like let's say, when you create a box, a gift box. Let me see if I have something like it to share with you. Okay, here is a gift box that I created years back, and if you want to give it to someone, you could always add something like that, like this on it, or like that. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. And it didn't cost that much, not at all. So it's very budget friendly, and I really, really like this option that they have instead of getting the other type of flowers that I really don't care for. So these are very pretty, they're very well made, and they just feel so good. And look how beautiful they are. They are so lifelike that, and even something like this that you can use in your mini albums and whatnot. So I really like this option, and I gotta check out and see what I may use it for, like my photographing, but I don't know, it could very well go with some really great looking mini albums. So yeah, that's that. Another thing that I got for my craft room is this right here. I thought I would give it a try because I think it's a good idea. I go through a lot of unboxings, I guess you would call it, and so as you constantly use your blades, they wear out. Okay. What's this? Oh, it's got some sort of ink or something. So let me see, do I have anything to clean this up? Nope, I don't have anything to clean this up with at the moment. I have no idea what that's from. So anyways, this is a blade. See that? Ooh, what I like about this, look at that. You have to have it like so. It's got a really great grip on it. You have to have it activated because if you don't, it goes back in, and that is fantastic because I can't tell you how many times I have almost, and once I did, cut myself with my other one because I simply couldn't tell which end is which. But yeah, I really, really like this. Look at that. Look at that. I really like this a lot. So, and it's this blush pink color. I don't know if camera does it justice, but it's really, really nice. Another item that I got for my craft too, that is crafty is, you know how lately I've been using a lot of like stick pins to add beads and so forth to it? Well, because I just love the look of stick pins and beads in my crafts. So I went ahead and got these. Let's see if I can get it open. Here we go. I got these. And what I like about this is that they're not so long, okay? Because I always find myself, before gluing the stick pin down, I always find myself snipping off a part of it simply because it's just too much, down here. And so I thought these were the right size. They're about an inch maybe. Let me look real quick. They're like about an inch and a half. Yeah, an inch and a half. And I think that is the perfect size for us paper crafters. So I think that was a really great deal on these two. And I like how they come in their own little container to contain them all. Another item that I got, again, that usually when you see it, you're like, okay, it's not really crafty related, but then again it is. It's this set of bags because I love to keep all sorts of different sizes of bags because you never know what you're going to send to with an order or what you're going to send in a in a swap, in a crafty swap, right? And look how small these are. I think that these are the perfect size whenever you want to send some beads, if you just want to send a couple of beads to somebody, there you go. Look at that. Happy everyday thank you. Isn't that the prettiest thing? So yeah, I really, really like these, and I know that I'll be using these quite often. Another thing that I got is this. Now they call this, they label it as double-sided tape for balloons, okay? Now, you and me, when we do our crafts, we use this as double-sided sticky dots that are not so sticky when we do swaps, when we want to mount something on a swap. Hang on, let me get scissors. When we want to mount something, but we want it to be just like a temporary tape so that the recipient will be able to, will be able to remove it real well. Look, see how they have, and these, oh my gosh, these are a bargain, okay? They're gonna come in this like so, and yeah, I know that I want to get quite a few more of these because these will be used all the time. Another item that I want to share with you, and I was so pleasantly surprised that they had pink, is this little gadget right here. It's a personal fan, okay? And you could charge it up with your USB, how we have USB hookups and everything everywhere. I'm right by my laptop, so that is absolutely not a problem to me, because quite often when I make a video like an unboxing or showing you something, sometimes you will hear a low hum in my videos, and that is because I'm running the fan that's over here. Okay, it's a small fan, but it's not a quiet one. And then the fan that keeps me cool, a lot cooler than this one, is out there, and that one has a loud hum. So I wanted something that I could put in front of me directly while I'm making my videos for you, but that doesn't have a loud hum. So I think that this is going to work really well, and I'm looking forward to using this. And this does come with a little stand. See, there's a little stand, and this is a little hookup, and you got your on and off button right here. So I'm looking forward to using this, and these are available in different colors, so you'll be happy about that. And of course, budget friendly always. Another item that I picked up from Shein is this little coaster right along here. And this is, I've noticed that in some of the videos that you ladies put out there, you have pretty dishes or whatever. Although I cannot keep an actual dish, something that'll fall and break or something, because of the constraints of my craft room. I just don't want little pieces of glass falling everywhere. I wanted something like this, and so that I can go ahead and place little beads or whatever while I'm working on a project for you, so that you can always look at something pretty. So that is the main function of this little piece right here. Another item that I got, once again, not crafty, but it'll help you in your craft room, is this very, very strong double-sided tape. Now, this is going to help you mount things on your wall, or perhaps underneath your desk when you want, those pull-out sliders or whatever underneath your desk or somewhere. Because once this goes up there, it's there. It's not going to fall down. And of course, I did get something about, I think this is about 1/4 of an inch wide, so that way it's pretty strong for me to go ahead and add something to my wall. So I'm very happy with this, and I'm looking forward to using this pretty soon. And last but not least, this is definitely not for the craft room, but if you're making a video, okay, and you're going to be showing your face, of course, you're going to be washing your face before you put makeup on, a fresh new batch of makeup. So I went ahead and got me this to hold my hair up, and look at this. I love this part. Oh my gosh. It comes with wrist guards, so that when I'm washing my face and brushing my teeth, how you splash, and whenever you splash, you get it on your arms or whatever. This holds all of that. So that way, if I'm wearing, let's say, 3/4 sleeve shirts or whatever, the tips are not going to get wet while I'm washing my face. So even though it's not crafty, it is part of a crafting video prep. So I hope that you have enjoyed this Shein haul, and like I mentioned before, I'll go ahead and link you to these items in the description area underneath my YouTube video, and I will also leave you with my coupon code. You can use my coupon code on any of the items on Shein, and of course Shein also carries crafting dies, crafting beads, all sorts of crafting supplies for y'all out there. Thank you so very much for watching, and I'll see you once again real soon. Bye.